Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little out of sorts. I meant to get this filmed yesterday and the lighting didn't cooperate. I just didn't get everything done in time, and I'm literally filming this the day that all of these go live, which I normally don't do. So I apologize for kind of the shadowing and stuff. I've had to move my setup because the lighting's not cooperating and I'm using studio lights, which is why it's all shadowed. I apologize, but I did want to get this video up for you guys and let you know that we are in the Wild Collab sale this weekend, and it's 25% off all weekend long. And look at all of these new releases. So I'm just gonna get started, and yeah, I apologize for the quality of this video, but I did want to get it up so you guys would see what's in the sale. So first things first, we have our Christmas bucket list. I revamped it this year and I'm loving the way that it looks. We also have our fall bucket list. Again, I revamped it and I am just loving it. Okay, so quickly I'm going to take you through the Hobonichi collections. I'm not doing Mini Happy Planner this time around. I'm still trying to decide if I want to keep that, but I did do Hobonichi. So this is the Winter Wonderland. And I'm kind of flipping through them fast because I want to get this video up for you guys. That is what that looks like. Then we have the Autumn Dreams one. Oops. Can't get it. We have the Pumpkin Kisses. Oh, I typed Pumpkin Wishes on this one instead of Pumpkin Kisses. That's so funny. I'll have to fix that. Then we have the Into the Woods collection. Then we have Cozy Thanksgiving, which is such just like this pretty neutral kit. Couldn't think of the wording there. Then we have Pumpkin Patch, which I am living for the colors. Then we have Farmhouse, which is probably my favorite collection from this week's new releases. And then we have Cozy Vibes. Again, I just love these colors. And those are all of the Hobonichi kits. All right, now we are going to get into the mini kits. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. I feel like you're so far out. Okay, so the first mini kit we have is Into the Woods. And you guys have seen, I mean, if you've watched any of our new release videos, you've seen the format of our kits. So I'm not gonna spend too much time on them, but the mini kit just comes with 4 pages. Then we have Winter Wonderland, which is one of my all-time favorites. I just think it's just so beautiful and wintry, and I love it. Then we have our Autumn Dreams kit. We have Pumpkin Kisses. And again, I apologize for the quality of this video. I normally would not post something like this, but I didn't want you guys to miss out on the sale, and I wanted to make sure this video went up when the sale goes live. So then we have Cozy Vibes. Oh, I love the colors. I love them. We have Farmhouse, which again is probably my favorite one of all these new releases. Like, look at those full boxes. I'm loving it. Then we have Pumpkin Patch, which again, I'm loving these colors. I'm just loving this artwork. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then last but not least, we have the Cozy Thanksgiving kit, which is just this beautiful neutral kit. and I love it. Normally I don't really like the Thanksgiving artwork that comes out, which is why I've had the same Thanksgiving kit for 3 years now, I feel like. But this one just came out and I was like, yes, I need to put this in the shop. So anyway, those are all of the mini kits. And then I'll just run through the full kits real quick. We have Into the Woods. Winter Wonderland. Autumn Dreams. Oh, I wish the lighting was better in this video. I'm so sorry, guys. Pumpkin Kisses. Cozy Vibes, which is like it was one of the best sellers last year. I feel like this one, a lot of people really liked it. So I brought it back because it was one of my favorite spreads that I actually used in my planner last year. Farmhouse, again, I'm living for this art. Not living for it, but you know, I'm loving it. It is one of my favorites. Then we have Pumpkin Patch. Guys, this is not like the most beautiful clip art you've ever seen. And then Cozy Thanksgiving. Those are all of our full kits. So many, like there's like 8 full kits, well 8 collections. So 8 full kits, 8 mini kits, 8 Hobonichi kits, and 8 glitter headers, which I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to zoom in because they're kind of smaller. So we have the Farmhouse glitter, and it's not a perfect match for the colors that I chose, but I still thought it was really nice glitter, and it's actually from the artist who did the clip art. She also did glitter headers, so I was like, why not try that, something different from the glitter that I use. Then we have the Pumpkin Kisses glitter, the Cozy Vibes glitter, Autumn Dreams glitter, Winter Wonderland glitter, Into the Woods glitter. Then we have Pumpkin Patch, which again, same artist who did the Farmhouse clip art did this one, and so I chose to go with this glitter. It's not a perfect match for the colors that I chose in the kit, but I still thought, like, all these colors are within the kit, so I thought that would be just a nice, like, something different, you know? And then same thing with the Cozy Thanksgiving. It's just a very neutral palette, but it's gonna go with everything in the Cozy Thanksgiving kit. So those are all of the glitter headers. Alright guys, so those are all of the new releases. Thank you so much for bearing with me in this video. I'm so sorry that it's just not up to my standards, but like I said, I wanted to make sure that this went up in time for you guys to shop the sale, because I always like it when, you know, when I have a sale, to let you guys know ahead of time, so that way you can save money. I know that a lot of us are on a budget and a lot of us don't want to spend a ton of money, so we don't want to miss out on a good sale. So that's why I wanted to get this video up as soon as possible. So thank you for bearing with me. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you are excited for the sale and for the new releases. I'm gonna have the coupon code and everything linked down below so you can check it out. And there's also like over 100 shops in this sale, so definitely go check all of them out, because there's so many amazing people in this sale, and you know, just go check them out. They're awesome. So anyway, that is it for this week's new release video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.